I never thought about it.
Do you think Dad would have an affair?
Dad?
Somebody call me? What's so funny? Finish your homework.
Have a seat. Dr. Schreiber will be with you in a minute.
Hello, Sam.
Hey.
Hey. Open, please. A little wider. Thank you. Tongue, please. No, back. Back. Hey, tongue. Do you know what? I think that you and me need to talk.
What about?
Well, for starters, you're acting a little differently when I saw you yesterday. Open, please. And I gotta tell you, I was a little bit hurt.
I just didn't feel well.
Well, you know what I think? I think that you may have thought you saw something that you didn't see the other night.
I didn't see anything.
Spit. And you didn't say anything to Neil or to anybody else about meeting my friend, hmm?
No.
Good. So people love nothing more than gossiping about seeing someone spending time with another woman who isn't their wife. Well, you can rest assured that nothing happened between me and my friend. You do believe me, don't you?
IWillie, yeah.
You know, when I was younger, I didn't have many dates. I met Mrs. Schreiber back in college, and, you know, she's a wonderful woman. And she keeps a beautiful home. It's just that when you get older, you get bored. You know?
No, not really.
It gets so hard, Sam. You know, I feel that there's something missing in my life, and I think I deserve the chance to find out what that something is. Don't you?
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, promise you things will be back to normal pretty soon.